Vivo's latest affordable Y series phone called Vivo Y19e is now official in India. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y19e features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie shooter with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a vertically aligned dual camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture, along with the 0.08 megapixel auxiliary lens with f3.0 aperture. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Uni SoC T7225 chipset, paired with Mali G52MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 4GB by using internal storage, and it has 64GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes backed by a massive 5,500 mAh battery, with 15 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on FunTouchOS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.3 by 76.95 by 8.19mm, and it weighs around 199 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y19e has been priced in India at 7,999 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in majestic green and titanium silver color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y19e smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.